Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a complete YouTube video using AI tools. And the best part, it's completely free. From storytelling to visuals, voiceovers to editing, I'll walk you through every step of the way to make your video stand out without spending a dime. Let's dive in. First things first, every video starts with a great story. Open ChatGPT and ask it to help you create a story for your video. Since you will need to create images for your animations, you will need ChatGPT to create some prompts for each of the scenes. Be specific with your prompt for the story. The more details you give, the better your story will be. For example, instead of saying, create a story about a girl and her grandfather, you can try something else, like this. This is much more detailed and it will help the ChatGPT make better prompts for all of the scenes. Once you have the story and detailed prompts for each scene, it's time to bring these words to life. Now that you have your story and scene descriptions, head over to Leonardo.ai. It's free to sign up. So now what you will do is you will input each prompt from ChatGPT into Leonardo.ai to create stunning AI-generated images for all your scenes. So we're gonna head over and do that right now. Take your time refining the prompts to ensure the images match your vision. Once satisfied, download the images. These will be the foundation of your video. Also, you will notice that there are some settings over here. For YouTube purposes, you will want to choose the image dimensions 16 by 9 because those are the dimensions of YouTube. And the generation mode is, you can just keep it on fast, but if you want to focus on quality, then you might have to get a premium subscription. Now that we have all our images, it's time for the next step, converting them into videos. So to transform these images into short video clips, we will use Pika AI. So here we can create videos. First, what we'll do is we'll add the image, and then we'll just input the same prompt used to create that image. I'll do that and then show you the results. As you can see here, the first scene is ready. It has converted the image into a moving video that looks realistic. Now you can just download it. When all the videos are done generating, then we will move on to the next step. Now on to our next step. For the voiceovers, we will use a website called Play HD. It's free and offers a variety of AI-generated voices. As you can see, Here you can find voices in many different accents and languages too. So just choose the voice you want, and you can regenerate it if you don't like it, and if you like it, well, then download it. Let's play the voice.
Ah, the milk is good today. The goats must be happy. They always know when the weather is kind. This batch should turn out nicely. The mountains give us all we need, as long as we respect them in return.
This step may not be required for you if you don't want a character speaking dialogue in your video. Also, this next step also deals with dialogue, so if you don't have dialogue in your video or you don't want to add dialogue, then you can skip ahead to the next step. For this step, if your video has character speaking, you'll need to sync their lip movements with the voiceover for it to look natural. For this, we'll use Leonardo.ai Studio. For this step, you can go to canva.com, create a new design, then click on apps right here. Search for Leonardo.ai Studio. You will click on Leonardo.ai Studio right there and upload the voiceover and the video. It will lip sync the video and voiceover together, and then you will download that. However, one downside of Leonardo.ai is that the video quality of exporting the project might not be that good, but you can use an quality enhancer for that. So now it's time to assemble everything. Use a free video editor like CapCut, Clipchamp if you're on Windows, or iMovie if you're on Mac. Import your video clips, voiceovers, and any sound effects. Arrange the clips in order, adjust timings, and add transitions for a polished look. So this is a demonstration of Clipchamp, which is what I'm gonna use. So you just import the media, like the videos, sound effects, and other things, and you just put it together. You will add the sound effects here, and for the sound effects, you might not be able to find free sounds, but there is one website where you can find a large variety of free sound effects that you can use. freesound.org. Here you can find a wide variety of sounds, and the best part about this is that all the sounds are free. You can just download them immediately and use them in your project. So we can just search for whatever sound we need and just download it, add it to the video editing software, and add any finishing touches. So once you put everything together, Clipchamp or whatever editing software you use, just export the video in high quality, but based on your needs. So I'm just gonna do it in this, and here you see the video. It's being downloaded. Now obviously this is a very simple video that I've made, but you can see with the power of AI tools that we now have, we can create lots of great stuff. So AI tools make video creation easier and more accessible than ever. And while these free tools are great, remember that you can always upgrade to paid options if you want more features. However, these free tools are good enough if you just want to get started. Later on, as you start making more videos and making more advanced things, you can upgrade to paid options. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to make using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next